Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying essentials. Confirm your Fampay account is KYC verified and funded, and make sure your device is online. Once done, open the Google Play app and tap Redeem. You need the 16-character code visible and copy-ready. Do not type from memory. If your Play Store region differs, switch profiles or use the matching country account. Make sure app data isn't cached with old region info. Clear Play Store cache if you see regional errors. Now perform the critical steps to redeem. Open Play Store, tap your profile, choose Payments and Subscriptions, then Redeem Code. Paste the code from Fampay, double-check characters. Letters like O can look like 0. If prompted for payment method, select Fampay linked option or add a backup card. This avoids partial charge failures. Wait for confirmation screen. Do not navigate away while validation runs. If you hit a temporary error, retry after 60 seconds to avoid rate limit blocks. Finish by confirming the value appears in your Play balance or as a promo applied to your account. Once confirmed, install or purchase the intended app or credit. If it fails, capture the exact error message and time. This helps diagnose region mismatch, expired code, or format issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear Play Store cache, ensure VPN is off, and then retry. If problems persist, contact Fampay support with the transaction ID and error text for escalation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.